If you're thinking of testing out of your college classes so that you can accelerate a college degree, Clep testing is a popular way to do so. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what I don't like about Clep testing and why I think you should consider another strategy. If that sounds good, then let's dive in.
Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how.
All right, so Clep testing. First, I want to discuss what Clep testing is. Essentially, you can go online to clep.collegeboard.org and you can purchase college exams, okay? You purchase the exams, you take the exams, and if you pass, you can take that passed exam and transfer it to a college or university to count as credit so that you don't have to go through the course material and do the homework and quizzes and read the textbooks and all of that stuff. This strategy's been popular for quite a long time, and lots of people have earned college degrees faster using this strategy. Now, there are a few other resources where you can purchase college Clep tests or college exams, like I said, the first is Clep. The second is, it's called DSST. And then there are some other third parties called Straighterline and Sophia. These are all popular strategies to purchase exams, take exams, and then transfer them over to a university to get your college degree that way. Now, there are a couple of things I don't like about these strategies, okay? Number one, a vast majority of colleges and universities have a limit as to how many of these exams they will accept for transfer towards your degree at their school. There are a couple of schools in the country that don't have a limit for how many of these exams they'll accept. Those schools, the most popular of those schools are Thomas Edison State University and Excelsior College. Basically, there are a few schools that you can almost earn your entire degree by taking these third-party exams, transferring them over, and then paying tuition to the school, and basically they send you your college diploma. The thing I don't like about this is that it's very limited as to which schools you can choose for this strategy. Like I said, the most popular being Thomas Edison State University and Excelsior College. Now, in the eyes of many employers, these schools kind of have a bad rap. And I know that they have accreditation and things like that, but there are a lot of employers that see this strategy and they don't feel that it's as strong as going to a more prestigious university and getting a degree. So that's number one, the number one thing I don't like about the strategy. Number two is that if you get stuck on an exam or a particular class, you're essentially stuck on your own. A lot of people that attempt this strategy, they get stuck on a course or two, or they have trouble going through their math classes or their science classes, and they end up dropping out, not graduating, or it ends up taking them a lot longer than they were expecting. That's the second thing I don't like about the strategy. Now, what is the alternative strategy? Well, you can choose a college or university that offers a competency-based education program. Essentially what that means is instead of purchasing third-party exams and transferring them over to a school, there are universities all over the country that allow you to take exams that are offered by them, by the actual university that you're attending. This strategy, in my opinion, is a better strategy. In my opinion, it's easier, and you can get a higher quality degree using this strategy. So essentially, you find a school that offers a competency-based education program. There are really prestigious schools that offer programs like this. For example, University of Michigan, University of Wisconsin, Northeastern University in Boston has a program like this. Purdue University Global, Texas A&M. There are a lot of programs, prestigious schools that offer programs like this. And there are a good handful of really highly accredited, high quality online schools that offer programs like this as well. I like the online programs, because they tend to save you money. It's lower cost, and online school is just more trusted than it's ever been before, especially because we had the pandemic and schools started basically going online and shifting to online because they couldn't allow students on campus. So online school is higher respected than it's ever been in the past. So you can find schools like this that offer these programs and allow you to test out of your classes through the school. The thing I like about that, you have a bigger variety of schools to choose from, so you can walk away with a more prestigious degree. Number two is that if you're taking exams through the school and you're enrolled in the school, if you ever get stuck on a class or need extra help, there are teachers there that can help you. You can schedule appointments with your teachers. You can schedule tutoring appointments with tutors, and you have all of the resources of the university at your disposal. The cool thing is, if you don't need those resources and you have the knowledge in your brain to take the exam, you can skip everything and go straight to the exam. So, in my opinion, competency-based education is a better strategy than using Clep or third-party exams and then transferring them to one of those few schools that don't have a limit. So if you're interested in that at all, one thing I will tell you is that colleges and universities, even colleges and universities that offer competency-based education programs, they don't necessarily want you to graduate in months instead of years, because the faster you graduate, the less tuition you pay. So colleges and universities don't really teach you how to accelerate using these competency-based education programs, but there are some really cool strategies that you can follow that can help you do this in a matter of months instead of years. The strategy that I like is what I call degree hacking. It's essentially enrolling in one of these programs, and then instead of doing what the teachers tell you to do and doing the homework assignments and the quizzes and studying textbooks and things like that, you essentially figure out what you're going to be tested on, and then you self-study and learn those materials using modern resources like the internet or your smartphone or Google or YouTube or any of these modern resources that we use for learning. If you'd like to learn more about this strategy that I call degree hacking, I am going to leave a link down below the video in the description to a free training where I will walk you through the 3-step process of degree hacking. It's absolutely free, no strings attached, and you can literally go and watch that video right now and learn the exact process of degree hacking that allowed me to earn a college degree in literally months instead of years without spending a fortune on tuition. If you'd like that, you can scroll down, watch that video. All you have to do is tap on the video title if you're on your smartphone, and we'll open up the description. Or if you're on your computer, scroll down and you'll see the link down below. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments in the comment section. If you like videos like this, like the video and subscribe, and you'll start seeing more videos basically teaching you how to earn your college degree faster for less money. You'll start seeing those in your feed. So don't forget to do that. Like I said, hope this video has helped. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.